Today I will show you how to easily remove the optics from the micro display optical assembly. You might want to do this when making your own devices such as augmented reality glasses. The very first thing you'd wanna do is wear proper gloves, this way you won't scratch the lenses. Whole process is really easy, you will only need an X-Acto knife or really flat screwdriver. Basically what you wanna do is lift up all of the plastic clamps. After that, front frame pretty much pops right off. Now you can simply push the lenses out with your smallest finger, don't use any solid objects. And now you've taken out the FLCoS optics. You could further disassemble it by removing the plastic housing, but I'd advise against it. One more thing to do is remove this plastic bit here. It won't be really useful to me. It's best to leave the lenses inside this small housing as it doesn't make much space and it has proper distances set. This way you will be sure that the image will be clear and crisp. And that's it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Huge thanks to my Patreons as I could buy this display thanks to you all.